Hi, hola, guten tag, bonjour, wagwan. Welcome back to our channel, guys. For new subscribers, hi. And those that are returning, we thank you. So Busty's burning some grass so I can plant some vegetables, but it's been an epic fail. Stay tuned to see why. Gutted.
Subscribers, a happy new year.
That's it. And what do you hope for them?
That all their dreams come true this year.
Oh,
Well, next year.
next year. And what about yourself? What goals have you got? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to happen in 2023?
That I get a tablet.
Is that it?
And we go back to England. Yes.
To do what? So you want to go back, but you don't want to know what you want to go back for?
Internet.
Internet?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
And also I want my Legos next year.
You want layers next year as well. So if going back to England for internet, right, which could be achievable here, because I checked it out just the other day, and we could get internet here, what does that leave for England?
It will be free since you already got it.
Yeah, I do already pay for it, but it's the same thing. So you would love England for internet. That's a good one. It's very interesting. I wasn't expecting to hear that.
And youth club.
Oh, and youth club.
Yes.
You miss youth club. What do you miss about youth club?
Just getting free time.
Free time. So do you think we could maybe create a youth club in Jamaica? Why?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? You don't think you could? So what does youth club involve?
Sports.
Sports. So you think we can't do sports in Jamaica?
Yes, you can.
Okay. What else did you do at youth club?
Eat KFC.
Eat KFC. Okay. Do you think that's possible in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What else? So there could be a youth club in Jamaica, couldn't there?
Yeah.
You could start it small. You could get your friends and say, oh, come round. We're going to do sports today. Today we're going to play football. Why don't you come round on the weekend? What do you think?
Yes.
Should we give it a try? No.
Maybe 2024.
2024. Oh, you're rubbish. Okay. Well, that's interesting. So, do you want to outro yourself and say bye to your subscribers?
Bye-bye. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Sid. Come. Come on. Sid. Oh my God, I'm scared. Come on. Go, Sid. Now, I know we'll go in the pig pen to clean it, but remember, I was petrified of animals. I'm still a bit wary of them, so to say I'm scared, I'm scared. I can't pick it up and put it in the pen. I can't grab it and throw it in. I don't mind being around them, but to throw it in and manhandle him, it's not going to happen. Feed. Oh my God, I'm frightened. All right. How am I going to get him back in? Ah, help me. Oh, where is her? Where's the other pigs? Where's the... Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. That's it, go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Is it one more? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more, one more. Where is it? Oh my God. Don't come out.
Come. Back that one.
Yeah, watch out the way a bit, Twin. Twin, move. Move. Watch out the way. No. Here. You silly pig, you can't hear the food. Go. Hey, look. Go, go. So we managed to catch the last one and put them back in the pen. Okay, so back to wishing you subscribers a happy new year. Why have you got a big massive hoodie on? Eh? Are you not hot? Okay then. So, are you gonna wish your subscribers a happy new year?
Yes.
Go on then.
What?
Go on then.
Oh, I'm supposed to say.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And then, so what do you wish for them? Do you wish any nice things for them for next year, 2023?
I wish I have a good New Year's.
A good New Year's. Okay. So what do you want next year? Have you got any goals? Do you want to achieve anything? Presents. So you want to achieve presents next year? That's
No,
good.
not presents, not presents.
What?
A game.
A game. What kind of game?
A toy game.
A toy game.
Yes.
Okay then. Thank you. Is that it? You off? Why'd you look so serious? Another one in a hoodie. What's wrong with you? You're not hot? No? Okay then. So do you want to wish the subscribers a happy new year?
Happy New Year's. If I could hook you, I would have hooked you right now.
Oh, that's nice. So wait, what do you wish for them?
That nobody dies on Happy New Year's.
Nobody dies on that. Okay. And what else? What do you wish for them for the year?
To enjoy it.
To enjoy it. That's good advice. Any more advice?
Don't forget that the Lord has given us another year.
Oh, you're beautiful, aren't you?
I give him
So
the
what
advice.
for you? So for you, for 2023, what do you want for you? I'm here.
Mommy,
Yes.
don't get the sweet. It's all get me none.
You're not sharing.
Yeah. I want 12 more books.
Right, we've got a sweet dilemma, but we're in the middle of a video here. Right, okay. So what do you want for yourself? What goals have you got? What do you want to achieve? What do you want?
To save more money.
That's it. What else?
To read more books.
Oh.
Health and strength.
And to have health and strength.
What? Okay, that's it.
Goes, oh, I know. Yeah. I was sorry, he's like,
I just don't. It's just I'm by myself, kind of. Ready? Happy New Year, subscribers. Hopefully you guys have a good New Year's. Enjoy yourselves. And my goals for the New Year's is to be able to eat rice at least 5 times in the New Year.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. And I hope we can get to at least 30 million subscribers by next year.
Sounds good.
Oh, it's a sweet corn.
We'll still just get the regular one.
Eh?
Still just get the regular one. I can make popcorn or something with it.
Regular corn. Regular corn like we normally say you don't like it.
Yeah, but that's what you make popcorn with, innit?
You want me popcorn in the belly of my shop when they see so much?
And I want them to make it themselves. I know you can buy it at the shop, but I want them to make it. It's cheaper, isn't it?
There's a business in 200 or something. I can't think of it. So much wine in there?
Yeah, the cashier come back, she check the price.
I said, sit Malasi.
No, we don't have Malasi.
Right, I want some seedling trays.
Come on, let's take up here, take up.
Alright. Alright, just don't make. Right, okay.
So you can't do it.
Oh, is that the seeds?
Eh?
Is that the seeds for the corn?
The corn is a...
No way. Alright, well, we need some of them. I want some trays. Seedling trays.
We have plant.
You said nuts. What else
Just
did
tell me
you say?
your plan. Just tell me your plan. I tell you what shift to.
Nuts.
What kind of?
The, like the monkey nut things. Peanuts.
You don't want to change it's a peanut, man.
No, why?
You don't want to change the plant peanut. Peanut don't go in and change the plant in like that.
Corn.
You never mess up no one else change.
Pumpkin.
No one else change.
But I like doing it in the tray.
You don't need none until they don't need it. You plant the rest of the don't plant there.
Cucumber. Tomatoes.
Who's another one?
No. So where'd you get long finger from, Rex? The hardware store.
So what's another one? That's it. That's 75 feet. 8,000.
Mm-mm. Can we get another watering can? Yeah. How much are there? 100 and add for one. Get about 10 or something.
Yeah, it's much.
then you just stocked up and then, do you know what I mean? Six.
Damn one then.
Look how many people, yeah. And then they're just in stock then, and just stock up. Seeds. Packs, here. Just get the small pack ones like these. Put the cow in.
Which one?
The salt. Why?
Yeah,
Yeah, but it can't be that much.
One thing.
And some carrots. Please.
Which one do you want? This one?
No, can I have a big one this time?
This one?
Yep.
And I'm not doing it in chronological order as well. Because
And carrots. And the trays. You've not got me the trays?
Which shit?
These ones. Thank you. I can take them out. I haven't got the strength. No, you want to get the root out. I don't want you to just break it. Pardon? Oh my god. Ah. I might have to get someone to do this. So this is the area where we burnt the grass. As you can see, it's not so green anymore. It's gone brown. It's killed the weeds. There's loads of rubbish and everything. So I'm struggling to pull out the whatever they are. So I'm gonna just clear a small area because unfortunately my carrots died. I put them in the seedling trays and I left them in there a little bit too long. So what I'm gonna do is prepare where I'm gonna put them first and then take it from there. I don't know what to do. It's quite hard. I'll keep you updated. So my carrots are literally like not doing well. Some of it like died. So lesson learned, when they are ready, they was thriving, they looked amazing. Get them in the ground, but it was because I was waiting for somebody to make some space. But it's just taught me a lesson to prep the ground area first, I think, before planting the carrots in the seedling trays. Some people put them straight into the ground, but I just like the idea of the seedling tray first. So I just thought I'd do a little tiny area and plant what may still be all right. So I'll keep you updated on my miniature carrot plot. But I will get some more. I planted over 200 in the trays. I think it was about 400. And I've literally got this left, which I'm sad about, but it's how it goes, learning lessons and all that. As you can see, a lot of love and effort went into the carrots. We went all the way to Argo. We burnt the land and I planted my carrots in the seedling trays and it was a big, massive fail. I'm not gonna lie, the agriculture side is not my biggest love. However, I'm going to give it one more try. I'm going to try again. I'm not going to give up and I'm going to make you follow the process. If this doesn't work out for me, I'm definitely sticking to the livestock. But guys, thanks again for watching. Please, 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 if you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Let's get it out there. And we shall see you in the next video. Goodbye.